When you sew clothes that fit your body, you feel empowered. And when something fits well, you feel good in it. In some ways, the idea of fit is subjective because it has to do what makes you feel comfortable. Some people find a loose fit to be right for them, and others like their clothes to be very fitted. But the bottom line is that a good fit works with the shape of your body to make you feel your best. This Seamwork Fitting series will teach you how to fit with confidence. My name's Haley, and I'm the pattern designer here at Seamwork. And without a doubt, one of my life's greatest joys is helping others to find creativity and joy through sewing. There are so many fitting methods out there. When you first are learning, it can feel super overwhelming. This series will empower you with the problem-solving skills to find what works for your learning style and for your body. After you learn some fundamentals for fitting, you'll have access to the library of individual tutorials to help you fit each part of your body. In this introductory class, you'll learn how to find fitting methods that work for you. This means we won't be focused on the nitty-gritty fit adjustments. Instead, we'll teach you the broader concepts that will help you understand fitting as a whole. As this fit series grows, we'll start getting into the nitty-gritty parts of fitting. Here's what you'll learn in this Introduction to Fit class. You'll learn how to keep a curious mindset so you get the best fit without all of the stress. We'll help you to gather your tools and resources with a list of supplies and fitting books that we trust here at Seamwork. You'll learn how to ask the right questions and diagnose fitting problems on the muslin. You'll also learn how to pin and transfer markings from your muslin to your paper pattern pieces. Then you'll learn some specific fit adjustments, like how to shorten and lengthen pattern pieces between different points of measure, how to slash and pivot to add or decrease volume, how to increase or decrease fullness in certain places on your pattern, and how to shorten, lengthen, and move darts to get them in just the right place. As part of this class, you can also download the Seamwork Fitting Journal, a really clever ebook that has blank measurement charts, helpful info, and tips for getting the best fit. Keep this journal nearby as you watch this class, and we'll help you fill it out. And of course, throughout this class, you can practice and get help from the Seamwork community along the way. Post pictures of your muslin, help out a friend, and get tips and tricks from your fellow seam workers. This Introduction to Fitting class is the start of a growing library of fitting tutorials here at Seamwork. We'll keep adding new fit tutorials to the classroom so that in addition to this introduction to fitting principles, you will have individual tutorials for different fitting adjustments for each part of your body. To start, let's talk about mindset and how to get in the right one.